Most creators start online for freedom, freedom of time, income, and creativity. But real freedom doesn't come from going viral. It comes from building wealth. And wealth isn't just about money, it's about ownership. When you understand how to build long-term wealth from your online presence, you stop chasing short-term wins and start creating lasting value. Step 1. Think like an owner, not just a creator. Creators make content. Owners build assets. Every video, post, or email can be a long-term brand asset. Shift your mindset from views to value. Ask, does what I'm creating build brand equity? Does it lead people deeper into my world? Content fades, but a brand compounds. Step 2. Build digital assets that appreciate over time. Wealth is built on assets, not effort. Create things that keep earning after you make them, like courses, newsletters, communities, or your personal brand. Each becomes a digital property that grows as your influence expands. The goal is to have your work for you. Step 3. Diversify your income streams. The fastest way to lose freedom is to rely on one source of income. Algorithms change, clients pause. Platforms evolve. Wealthy creators build multiple flows: digital products, coaching, partnerships, and speaking. Diversity equals security. Step 4. Use leverage, not labor, to grow. The wealthy don't work harder, they work smarter. Leverage content by repurposing it. Leverage systems with automation. Leverage your audience through collaborations. The key isn't constant creation, it's strategic multiplication. Step 5. Treat your personal brand like a business. Every business has systems and structure. Separate your finances, reinvest profits, and protect your intellectual property. Your brand isn't just content, it's a company. Companies build wealth through strategy, not spontaneity. Step 6. Invest in yourself, then let your brand invest for you. Wealth starts with mindset and multiplies with money management. Reinvest into education, systems, and assets that appreciate, like real estate or equity. Use your online income to build offline freedom. Step 7. Play the long game. Wealth isn't built in a season, it's built through consistency. Focus on legacy, not quick wins. Create value that lasts and trust that compounds. Real wealth is what you keep, grow, and pass on. Your online presence can be more than a platform. It can be a portfolio. Build with purpose, create with ownership, and scale with strategy. Stop chasing short-term wins and start building long-term wealth. Your ideas can make money, but your brand can build an empire.